Hi guys, welcome to the Bike Sanctuary. My name is Ben and today I'm showing you this gorgeous Kawasaki Ninja 650cc parallel twin, as the name denotes, making 67 horsepower. This is a 68 plate KRT replica and it's absolutely beautiful. It's the kind of perfect blend between something that you could commute to work on, you could ride for pleasure. It's a really good all-rounder. So ABS, twin ABS with twin discs at the front, and obviously the ABS controls the rear brakes as well, as most bikes have now. This bike's fully loaded with R&G accessories, so we've got the aftermarket aerodynamic R&G crash bungs on the front. We've also got the paddock stand lifters on the back as well, which is really handy for servicing, tensioning your chain, all that kind of stuff. Bodywork is in really nice condition, as you'd expect from a one-year-old 68 plate bike. It's actually had two owners from new. It's got the full Kawasaki service history, both keys, and everything that you'd expect from a relatively new bike. As you can see, it's in really nice condition. If you're looking at the seat height and thinking it looks a little bit low, that's because it's been lowered. It's actually on a lowering link. Now, that's not a problem. If you'd like it put back to standard, we can do that. But for those of us who have got slightly shorter inner legs, you might want to consider this. So it's about 30 to 40 millimeters lower than the standard height. As I said, we've got the original links, so it's no problem to convert that back to standard before the bike actually goes. So as we come around the back, you can see we've got the R&G tail tidy and the factory seat cover. Obviously we've got the original pillion seat as well. Tyres are in very good condition. Chain and sprockets are absolutely fine. They've been well looked after, well maintained. No oil leaks or anything like that. Bike's also fitted with a Scottoiler. For those of you who don't know what that is, it's an automated system for delivering some chain lube onto the chain whilst the bike is actually running. It's an automatic system. This cylinder here you just undo and you refill, and it goes down the pipe and just drops onto the chain while it's running, which would explain why the chain's in such good condition. As you can see, it's empty at the moment, but it's not a problem. We can supply some oil for the new owner if you wish, and we can point you in the right direction and supply it in the future as well. Bodywork on the left hand side is immaculate, as you'd expect. Coming up to the cockpit of the bike, so you can see this bike has had the TomTom Rider fitted. This is a RAM mount, so it charges the TomTom. It does actually come with a TomTom, and it will do if we receive the full asking price for the bike, so you can ask us for a bit more detail about the TomTom. Bike also comes with 5-stage heated grips, and the control, as you can see, is just on the right hand side over there, and it does have the optional waterproof cover and the dual USB charger there, so again, perfect for your phone or anything like that if you want to charge it. So let's just give her a start up for you. Bike covered just over 7,400 miles. As I said, full service history. So it's a 67 horsepower parallel twin engine, same as they use in the ER6 F&N. Sounds quite nice as standard. Looks very similar to the ZX10 and the ZX6R, but it's a much more subdued engine. It's got lots of pull from the bottom end, so it's not quite as peaky and revvy as the sports bikes, which makes it the perfect all-rounder for commuting. If you were to commute into a city, it's LEZ compliant, and perfect for touring, and also great for weekend riding as well. We can arrange for delivery at the buyer's cost. Just ask us for a quotation, that's not a problem at all. If you'd like any additional aftermarket accessories, no problem. You'll get 10% off of those when you buy a bike from us, and then 10% off any accessories and service items thereafter. We do offer a part exchange facility, so you can ask us about that if you have a part exchange. And yeah, that's it from me. It's a really, really nice bike. So if you're interested, you can reach out to us on Facebook, WhatsApp, through the website, live chat, that kind of stuff. And yeah, we look forward to taking your call soon. Take care.